Morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It's you can see a little bit of the colors here. In the background there, the leaves are off the black walnuts. Definitely fall is just about here. So today's thought for you is, if you are in a position of leadership, know that leadership is hard. And good leadership, servant leadership, is humbling. So when you have that moment where you have a disagreement with someone, humble yourself and think about, what do you need to learn? And hopefully your team members are learning about figuring out what they need to learn as well. Have a great day, everybody.